Fruits are good for your tummy. Bananas are good for your tummy. Apples are good for your tummy. Mangoes are good for your tummy.
The stomach produces enzymes and acid. These break down the food we eat. The enzymes and acid mix together to digest the fruits.
Mangoes, enjoy them alone, not mixed with other foods. Rule of thumb, eat fruits 30 minutes before or 2 hours after meals.
This helps your body absorb nutrients faster and prevents gas.
Ah, fresh fruits. Feeling great.
Simple switch, better digestion. From Dr. Remedies to you. Follow Dr. Remedies for more natural health tips.